Later, Mom. What's up? Me and my boys are going to see Uncle Cracker. Give him that back, Jordan. Do you want to go see Uncle Cracker? No.
Well, when life gives you lemons.
Hi, I'm Renata Bliss and I'm your freestyle dance teacher. Nice, Ryan.
I sneezed. Oh, I'm not allowed to sneeze.
Bring the beat in. Anything for you, Beyonce.
I sneezed on the beat and the beat got sicker.
I'm ducking and everything. Died in the house. I got scared. I dropped my hot pocket.
Let's face it, we're stranded.
Look!
Blueberries!
Oh my god.
You are my dad. You're my dad. Wookie, wookie, wookie. A potato flew around my room before you came. What you say?
What you said?
I said, whoever threw that paper, your mom's a hoe.
What the fuck, Richard? What the fuck? What the fuck, Richard? What the fuck?
Let me see what you have. No!
Hey everybody, today my brother pushed me, so I'm starting a Kickstarter to put him down. The benefits of killing him would be I would get pushed way less.
I have to restart my potatoes.
You ready to fucking die?
No, yeah, I'm a bad bitch. You can't kill me.
Hey, how much money do you have? Like 69 cents. You know what that means.
I don't have enough money for chicken nugget.
Run.
The Bible study. We're all children of Jesus. Kumbaya, my Lord.
From the Manatee County Fair, Linda Carson, ABC7. Would you not eat my pants? Ah!
Zach, stop. Zach, stop. You're gonna get in trouble. Zach.
I don't think you're disrespecting a future U.S. Army soldier.
Miss Keisha. Miss Keisha. Miss Keisha. Oh my fucking god, she fucking dead.
What are those?
They are my Crocs.
I love you, bitch. Oh my god. I ain't gonna never stop loving you, bitch.
Don't tell your mother. Kiss one another. Die for each other.
Why are you making me sing? I hate singing. When do I even come in? I don't know.
Where's the box? Give it to me, I'm gonna get no sleep cause of y'all. Y'all not gonna get no sleep cause of me.
Oh hi, thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
What's he do? Jess.
What?
Fake.
Fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up.
One of my twists, nigga. She want to
We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky. 3, 2, 1. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, zooming through.
Kylie Jenner to the foyer. I have a little surprise for you.
Is that a chicken?
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Chris, is that a weed?
No, this is a crayon.
I'm calling the police.
911, what's your emergency?
Doing the shit.
I'm washing me in my
She
clothes.
drunk as fuck,
Bitch, I'm washing me in my clothes.
Hi, my name is Chelsea. What's your favorite dinner food?
I saw you hanging out with Caitlin yesterday.
Rebecca, it's not what you think.
I won't hesitate, bitch.
Pop it. Twist it. Pull it.
Is there anything better than pussy? Yes, a really good book.
Yo. What the
You want penis enlargement pills?
Wow. The fuck? The fuck? The fuck is in the air. The fuck? There's white shit everywhere.
Let me hop out the Porsche, I don't wanna hit that.
Shut the up.
Go suck a dick, suck a dick, suck a motherfucking dick. Suck a dick, suck a huge or small dick.
Kevin, don't, Kevin, watch the light, dude.
I thought you were bae. Turns out you're just fam. Bruh.
This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. It's watermelon. Inside a watermelon.
I'm in my mum's car. Broom, broom. Get out of my car.
Oh, skid, motherfucker. Oh, skid, goddamn. Oh.
What?
You're not my dad. You also hear something. Ugly ass fucking noodle.
Smoke with my probation officer. Here you go, officer.
Yeah, as if I'm gonna let you use my tractor. Please, Papa, I need some fill.
Hey, Billy, your grandma's here.
Fuck my grandma.
I'm sorry, Bill.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh yeah!
Shoot me.
That awkward moment when you're scrolling through someone's old Instagram photos and you accidentally comment the entire Declaration of Independence.
Shit. This is bullshit. Did you just curse? Cause we don't talk like that in this goddamn motherfucking house. Shit.
Fuck!
Who's there?
Nobody, fuck off!
Graham, why are all these freaking cookies on the floor? Phil, can you help me?
Chris, what's up, dog?
You pretty drunk. Jumping off the roof. Really?
What?
Oh, no,
Dude, what?
dude.
Chris,
No
what the
way.
hell? No! Chris!
Hi, can I just get some heroin, please?
I want to love you. Pretty young thing. You need some loving.
Dude, I thought you could do a kickflip.
I can. I did one this morning.
Hell yeah! I have the power of God!
I don't trust something like that.
I'm ready to buy right now.
Open that button.
I will not buy if you want me to get naked. I don't feel...
I would. I just got too much to do tonight.
It's a joke today.
Anal with my girlfriend made my whole day, but it made her whole week. I'm sorry, class.
Stupid.
Apply to the head and roll on.
Mom, help me! Mom, it doesn't hurt that much. It's a BB gun, for real. Mom, can we talk?
We all die. You either kill yourself or get killed.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Hey, beautiful. I get 2 rum and cokes. You didn't have to buy me a drink. Oh my god.
Ooh, the ice is slippery. ISIS? Yeah, the ice is slippery. ISIS? No, the ice is...
I'll be okay if I get one. If I had one wish, we'd be best friends.
Ask all of my friends and they'll tell you I'm the nicest, but not if you're in mother freaking ISIS.
Damn, there's a cockroach right there! Damn! I'm joking.
You need Jesus.
Your son's a hell of a beatbox. That's Tourette.
People are constantly asking me, what's it like to be a sex?
Try and pull me over now, cop!
When the night has come and the light.
Hey, man, can you grab me a bag of chips? I mean, only bag left is this bag of knives. Why would they put that in there?
You know, the indigenous species in Canada can be real aggressive, eh? So it's important to take all necessary precautions when approaching. Get fucked!
All my life, man, fuck's sake. If I did, I'm a non-sweat, I'ma let him eat my ass like a
Hey, kids! Patricia! Honey, can you be quiet? I'm just trying to do something.
I wish I had 25 cents.
I can make that. I can make that. I can make that. I can make that. I can make that.
I'm seriously in love with Bustin' Jeepers' new song. It's Justin Bieber. Okay, Vanessa, well, I'm sorry. I didn't pronounce it perfect.
If there are any spirits here tonight, let me hear you say, way-ho! Boom, boom, boom. If there are any spirits here tonight, tell me, does this sound like Shakira?
Well, son, you're getting to that age. I think it's time you learned how to destroy that pussy.
You better watch out, you better watch out, you better watch out, you better watch out, you better watch.
You have any last words? No. Oh, I guess that was my last word. Oh, fuck, now these are all my last words. Shit,
Oh my god, are you fitting a smash?
Oh my god, no.
You didn't let me finish. The patriarchy, I'm a feminist.
I may be just a citizen by day, but by night I'm night citizen.
None you. None you.
My favorite animal is probably a buffoon. You mean baboon? It's a buffoon! We learned it in science class!
What are they saying?
God, it's a snack. Snack, you dead, snack.
You mean the one where she's like, baby, when they look up at the sky? Or is that something different? Oh yeah, that's that near, far away. That's that song, right?
Hip-hop? But not for me. I miss the good days in music, when the Italian mafia sang about white people's sex.
I should have left you on that street corner where you were standing. But you didn't! Hey, guess what, son? Clean your room. No. Oh, okay.
We do love working here. It's just, we all have a lot of laughs.
Fuck off, Janet. I'm not going to your fucking baby shower.
Dude, thanks for letting me use your Xbox. It's not my Xbox. Come on.
Are you feeling down? Yeah. This song always cheers me up.
4-year-old boy fell several feet into the gorilla's enclosure. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
It's official, I'm getting a promotion.
I'm getting ready to do something too. I'm running for president.
Cool, Hillary.
Hey, we want some pussy. Hey, we want some pussy.
Man, Mark. Mark, you cold?
Don't let the door hit you on the way out.
Thanks for the tip, but my hand's on the door, so.
He's a good kid.
I'll kill you. Fuck you.
They're crazy when they're teens, huh?
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
I can see you in the frame.
Don't you want to?
Sometimes the world looks perfect. Nothing to read.
Did someone order a big sausage pizza?
I did, but I don't have any money.
Why the fuck did you order a pizza? What would be the first thing you provide to a third world country?
Pictures of me on Instagram.
What about water?
Pictures of me in a pool.
You can't breathe!
Neither can I when I'm with you.
Who do you think the hottest girl in school is? The Epcot ball? Well, I like Melanie, and not just because she's pretty. I think she's really funny and awesome.
Time for bed.
Mr. Snuffle says I can stay up as long as I want, and you need to die.
What the heck, Mr. Snuffle?
When you were at a dinner party and you read that article and you were not a fan. I read that article, I was not a fan.
Is this peanut free? My son has an allergy. That peanut's not free. That'll be $1. You're lucky I hate my son so much.
If we're gonna date, you're gonna have to dress like a pilgrim, talk like a pilgrim, and you're gonna have to fuck like a pilgrim.
Shut up.
What'd you say?
I need one plane ticket, please.
This is something to all you haters out there. Stop hating, okay? Okay, it doesn't do anything, okay?
Remember this dumbass school with all these fake ass people?
Hey.
Hey. Fucking bitch.
Have anybody ever tell you you look like Beyonce?
Nah, they usually tell me I look like Shalissa.
Who the fuck is that?
Me, nigga.